Do you want to get more engagement on your YouTube videos? A question that resonates with many, and the key to unlocking that coveted YouTube success. In the vast digital landscape, standing out is no easy feat. But don't fret, this video will shed light on proven strategies from successful creators to boost your YouTube engagement. We'll dive into everything from consistent posting to creating engaging thumbnails and titles, encouraging audience participation, and even responding to comments. Stay tuned to discover the secrets of successful YouTube creators. First, it's important to understand why engagement on YouTube is so critical. You see, engagement is the heart that pumps life into your YouTube channel. It's the powerhouse that fuels your visibility, allowing your videos to surface on search results and recommendations. But it's not just about being seen. Engagement builds a community around your content, creating an ecosystem of dedicated viewers who are invested in your work. These are the folks who will stick around, watch your videos, share them, and perhaps even become your brand advocates. Moreover, engagement is a key player in the game of monetization. YouTube's algorithm values engagement heavily, rewarding channels with high engagement rates by placing them in a better position to earn revenue. So, engagement isn't just a nice to have, it's a must-have. It's the magic ingredient that can transform your channel from a hobby to a potentially lucrative career. Now that we understand why engagement is essential, let's dive into the strategies successful creators use. The first strategy successful creators swear by is consistent posting. Consistency, my friends, is the secret sauce that keeps your YouTube channel thriving. Think about your favorite television series. It's not just the engaging plot lines and charismatic characters that keep you hooked. It's also the anticipation of the next episode, the knowledge that every Tuesday at 8 o'clock sharp, you'll be transported into a world of drama, laughter, or adventure. This is the very same principle that applies to your YouTube channel. Keeping a regular posting schedule is like making a promise to your viewers. It's telling them, hey, I'm here for you. I'll provide you with exciting, insightful, or entertaining content at this specific time, every week or every month. This creates a sense of anticipation and reliability your viewers will come to appreciate. Consistent posting isn't merely about keeping your current subscribers satisfied, though. It's also a powerful magnet for attracting new ones. YouTube's algorithm favors channels that post regularly. This means that the more frequently and consistently you post, the higher your chances of appearing in search results and recommendations. But what does consistent posting look like? Well, it doesn't necessarily mean you need to post a new video every day, although if you can maintain that pace without compromising quality, more power to you. Consistency can be once a week, twice a month, or even once a month. The key is to find a rhythm that works for you and stick to it. Now here's a pro tip. If you're finding it challenging to create fresh content regularly, consider creating a series. A series not only helps you plan your content calendar in advance, but also keeps your audience coming back for more. Remember, the goal is to create a reliable presence on your subscribers' YouTube feeds. You want them to see your channel as a source of regular entertainment or information. You're building a relationship with your viewers, and like any good relationship, it thrives on consistency and reliability. So, take out your calendar, plan your content, and get into a regular posting routine. Remember, consistency is key to maintaining and growing your audience. The second strategy is all about grabbing attention with engaging thumbnails and titles. In the vast sea of content that is YouTube, standing out is a task that requires a strategic approach. One of the most effective ways to do this is through the use of engaging thumbnails and titles. These are your first points of contact with potential viewers, and they can significantly influence whether someone clicks on your content or continues to scroll. Think about it. When you're browsing through YouTube, what catches your eye? Is it the thumbnail that stands out from the rest? Or perhaps a title that piques your curiosity? That's the magic of engaging thumbnails and titles. Creating eye-catching thumbnails is an art in itself. It requires a balance between visual appeal and relevance to your content. A good thumbnail should give a glimpse into what your video is about while also being visually intriguing. It could be a dramatic shot from your video, a bold text overlay, or even a surprising image. The key is to make it so engaging that viewers can't help but click. Crafting compelling titles, on the other hand, is about sparking curiosity while also being informative. A good title should accurately represent your content, but do so in a way that makes viewers want to know more. Using power words or phrases that incite emotion or curiosity can be incredibly effective. For instance, words like unbelievable, secret, or the truth about can create a sense of intrigue that compels viewers to click. But remember, while it's important to attract clicks, it's equally important to deliver on the promise of your thumbnail and title. Misleading viewers might get you a click, but it won't get you a loyal viewer or a high engagement rate. So always ensure that your thumbnails and titles accurately reflect the content of your video. In the end, it's all about making that first impression count. A well-crafted thumbnail and title can be your ticket to capturing attention in the crowded space of YouTube. An engaging thumbnail and title can be the difference between a viewer clicking on your video or scrolling past it. Our third strategy focuses on encouraging audience participation. Now you might be wondering, why is audience participation so important? Well, let me tell you, it's more than just a buzzword. It is a powerful tool that can skyrocket your YouTube engagement. Think of it this way. When you watch a movie or read a book, you're passively consuming the content. But when you participate in a conversation, you're actively engaged. That's the difference between a viewer and a participant. A participant interacts with your content, and that interaction is key to boosting your visibility on YouTube. So, how can you encourage your viewers to become participants? Let's start with the basics. Ask them to like, share, and subscribe, but don't just say it for the sake of saying it. Give them a reason to. For example, you could say, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, or subscribe for more content like this. Then, take it a step further. Encourage them to comment. Ask open-ended questions related to your video's content. For instance, if your video is about cooking, you could ask, what's your favorite dish to cook? Or do you have any cooking tips to share? This not only prompts viewers to comment, but also fosters a sense of community. Another effective way to encourage audience participation is through polls and quizzes. These can be fun, engaging, and informative. They also give you valuable insights into your audience's preferences and opinions. Lastly, consider creating content that requires or urges audience participation. This could be a challenge, a contest, a Q&A session, or even a live video where viewers can interact with you in real time. Remember, every like, share, comment, and subscription increases the chances of your video being recommended by YouTube's algorithm. So, don't underestimate the power of audience participation. It's not just about the numbers. It's about creating a community around your content. Encouraging your audience to interact with your video can significantly boost your engagement rates. Our fourth strategy is about creating a two-way conversation by responding to comments. Now let's dive into the intricacies of this strategy. Successful content creators understand that responding to comments is more than just a courteous deed. It's an opportunity to engage with your viewers, understand their perspectives, and foster a sense of community. It's about making your viewers feel heard and valued. Imagine walking into a store asking a question and being ignored. You'd probably feel frustrated, right? The same principle applies here. When viewers take the time to comment on your content, it's essential to acknowledge them. Think of it as a conversation. Your video is the opening statement, and the comments are the responses. If you ignore those responses, you're essentially cutting the conversation short. Responding to comments is also a great way to show your personality outside of your content. It's a chance to be funny, thoughtful, or even a bit cheeky. It's an opportunity to show your viewers that there's a real person behind the screen. And remember, it's not just about responding, it's about engaging. Ask questions, encourage discussions, and show genuine interest in what your viewers have to say. This strategy is about more than just boosting engagement. It's about building a community. A community where viewers feel welcomed, heard, and valued. A community that will keep coming back for more. Engaging with your audience in the comments section can help foster a strong community around your content. Those were the 4 key strategies successful creators use to boost engagement on their YouTube videos. Just to jog your memory, let's do a quick rundown. First, we have consistent posting. Like a well-oiled machine, keep those videos coming. Regularity is key to keep your subscribers hooked and looking forward to your next masterpiece. Next up, we have engaging thumbnails and titles. Think of them as the dazzling storefront that catches the eye. It's all about making that first impression count, so get creative and make it pop. Then we discuss the importance of audience participation. Remember, YouTube isn't a one-way street. Involve your viewers, make them feel seen and heard, and they'll reward you with their loyalty. And lastly, don't forget to respond to comments. It's a simple yet powerful way to connect with your viewers and show them that you value their input. With these strategies in mind, you're on your way to increasing engagement and growing your YouTube channel. Good luck.